Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to trade in Binomo without loss. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Trading on Binomo or financial platform without any loss is impossible. So what you can do is just simply head over and open up your Binomo app, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is practice trading without real money. Then once done, get comfortable with the platform, tools and market behavior, then test strategies before risking real funds. Then next is to learn and use technical analysis, study charts, trends and indicators like moving averages like RSI, MACD, and use the tools to make informed entry and exit decisions. The next is use risk management techniques. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. Use stop loss orders to limit potential losses. Then decide your trade size wisely. Next is to trade with plan. Set clear goals for each trade. Decide in advance when to take profits and cut losses. Then avoid emotional decisions based on greed or fear. The next is to keep up with market news. Global events can impact assets prices. Stay informed to avoid surprises, and then avoid overtrading and start small with small amount to reduce risks and increase size as your confidence and skill grow. Then you can also keep a trading journal as well by recording your trades and outcomes and review the learn from mistakes and successes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.